The party is just getting started.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to VidCon 2018, and I'm honoured to be joined by
Sean and
Benji.
And combined, how many subscribers do you have on YouTube right now?
I'd say, like, just off the top of my head, probably like 4 to 4.5 million.
Wow, congratulations to both of you. You are both considered YouTube gurus, YouTube experts. What inspires you to YouTube today?
You know, I think I'm more inspired more than ever before on YouTube today. You know, it is true, there's rising competition. It can be discouraging if you're just getting started. But then again, Google just announced a conference, their most recent conference, that now there's 1.7 billion active users.
1.9. They announced it yesterday.
Oh, 1.9
Just
updated.
another 200 million right there.
There you go. So now 1.9 billion, that's logged in with Gmail accounts. So it's way more than that when people are not logged in. And so that makes me think, yeah, there's more competition, but there's more viewers. I sat in a Nielsen session here at VidCon, and they were talking about the consumption of mobile video. Millennials are watching digital video around 26 hours a week. So yeah, there's more competition, but there's more consumption. And so I'm excited that right now on YouTube, I feel like people say, is it too late? Am I too late to the party? Is the party over? And I like to say this, the party is just getting started. So we're strategizing last night. We're thinking about it like, hey, what's next? We're seeing all these new opportunities. So I want to encourage you, don't get discouraged. Keep looking for your lane, your niche, your unique angle. Sally Hogstead says it this way, to stand out in today's world online, different is better than better. And I love that. You can find your unique angle and still break through and make a massive impact with online video and YouTube today.
Yeah, everything Sean said, I would definitely echo. But the one thing is this. I've been doing this for 10 years. I used to think this is going to be done in 12 months, right? 10 years later, I believe this could be relevant for another 10 years. And the reason we're here is for our channel Video Influencers. And the reason we're so passionate about that, and that's what's keeping me going right now, is because I think there is a ton of opportunity. I think there's a ton of channels that need to be started that haven't been started. So if you're just starting right now, have hope that there's possibilities for you. You just need to start recording, uploading, optimizing, using vidIQ, and you know, getting those views.